Welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to show you a tool that I found useful that you normally don't find in a body shop environment. This right here. What is it, you ask? It is a shape copier, and it will copy any shape. Now, why is that important in the body shop? What shape could I possibly need to copy? Well, how about this shape? This is the shape of my front quarter panel here. I don't know if you can see it or not. Before I started grinding the Bondo out of the area between the back wheel and the door opening, I took the shape of what that whole panel looks like, and this is it. There was a significant amount of Bondo in that panel, and so I ground it all out, and now using this I can see where the contour is that I need to restore. I need to bring the metal out, replace the metal that's rusted, and then this is the contour I need to bring it back out to. So I've got a cardboard cutout of this shape as well. Woodworking tools and devices can also have a spot in your garage if you're working on a complex panel that you have to either cut out or replace, grind out Bondo. Whatever it is, you've got a copy of the original right here, and it's locked in place. These levers on each end will lock your shapes. Now this one is 15 inches. The main part is 10. This is 5, and they can be combined, obviously, into a 15-inch panel. You can get two 10-inch ones if you want, or you can buy a single 10-inch or a single 5-inch. For this application, it was the perfect thing. This is a great way to get the initial pattern of what a panel looked like before you tear into it. And it's going to help me bring my 1956 Plymouth forward quarter panel back to its original contour. All right, that's it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have a comment, if you've used a shape copier or some other device to help you in this manner, leave me a comment. All right, take care. We'll see you next time here in the Shade Tree Garage.